Hello students, as you know that we have completed this chapter, new questions and ideas. Today we will revise this chapter with the help of some MCQs, multiple choice questions. I will ask the question, then you have to guess the answer. Let's start. First question. What was the real name of Gautama Buddha? Mahatma Buddha or Gautam Buddha? Niranjan, Narendranath, Siddhartha, none of above. So the correct answer is C. Siddhartha was the real name or the childhood name of Gautama Buddha. After that, second question, to which Gana did the Buddha belong? Mahatma Buddha belonged to Matsya, Lumbini, Kusinara, Sakya. Four options are here. So the correct answer is Sakyagana. He belonged to Sakyagana, Mahatma Buddha. Come to the third question. Mahatma Buddha was a Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. As you know that these were the four sects in the society at that time, and the society was divided into these four castes or the groups: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. Mahatma Buddha belonged to Kshatriya. B is the correct answer of question number 3. Come to the next question, question number 4. Under which tree did Mahatma Buddha attain enlightenment? This is Banyan, Neem, Babul and People. The correct answer is D option, People. Under the tree of People, Mahatma Buddha attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Bodh Gaya in Bihar. You should remember. Question number 5. Which of the following statements about Mahatma Buddha is not true? You have to find out not true, which is false. Mahatma Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Yes, before a short while we discussed about it. Under the tree, People, Bodh Gaya. In Bihar, he attained enlightenment, became the wise man. B. He taught for the first time at Sarnath near Varanasi, today in UP. At Sarnath, he gave his first teaching. And C. He passed away at Kusinara. D. None of above. So we have to find out the false statement. All the three statements are true, so no statement is false out of these. So D is the correct answer, none of above. Question number 6. What is the reason of sorrows according to Mahatma Buddha? According to Mahatma Buddha, the cause of sorrows, option A, desires, B, craving, C, both A and B, and D, none. So the correct answer is C, because craving and desires are similar kinds of things, right? Greeds or wishes or desires, etc. So C is the correct answer. Due to desires, we can become unhappy because all the desires are not fulfilled of human beings. So the desire is not fulfilled, then human being becomes unhappy and sad. So this is the main cause of sadness or unhappiness. Which of the following is a wrong pair? Nyaya, Gautama, Samkhya, Kapila, Yoga, Vyasa, Purva Mimamsa, Jaimini. These are the system of schools, 6 systems of schools, and here these are the names of the founders, right? We have studied about the different schools in the philosophy. So these are Nyaya, founded by Gautama. It is correct. And we have to find out wrong pair. Samkhya Darshana, founded by Kapila Muni or Kapila. It is also correct. Yoga, Vyasa. Yes, C is the correct answer, because yoga was not founded by Vyasa. Yoga was founded by Patanjali. So C is the correct answer because Purva Mimamsa was founded by Jaimini. So this is wrong pair C. Which of the following statements is true about Gargi? Gargi was Upanishadic thinker. This is correct. She was woman and she was famous for her learning. This is also correct. She participated in debates held in royal courts. This is also correct. So D is the correct answer. All of above. D is the correct answer. Come to the next question. Panini. You have listened the name of Panini in the chapter we studied about it. Panini prepared a grammar for French language, Hindi language, Sanskrit language, Persian language. Yes, Panini is famous for Sanskrit grammar. C is the correct answer. Sanskrit. Yes, come to the next question. Vardhamana Mahavira was Tirthankara of the Jainas. Which Tirthankara? Here. 23rd, 24th, 1st and none of above. First Tirthankara was Rishabhnatha, so not Mahavira, Rishabhnatha. 23rd was Parshvanatha and 24th was Vardhamana Mahavira. And only 24 Tirthankaras were there, so he was the last Tirthankara of the Jainas. So B is the correct answer. Who was the mother of Mahavira? Yashoda, Trishla, Priyadarsena, none of above. So listen very carefully. Yashoda was the wife of Mahavira. Priyadarsena was the daughter of Mahavira. And Trishla is left. So she was the mother of Mahavira. B is the correct answer of question number 11. B. Trishla. Come to the next question. Mahavira gave his teachings in. Here we are talking about the language. Mahavira gave his teachings in Hindi, Sanskrit, Pali, Prakrit. So the correct answer, the language of ordinary people, it was Prakrit. D is the correct answer of question number 12. Come to the next question. Where was Vardhamana Mahavira born? Kundagram, Lumbini, Kusinara, none of above. Near Vaishali. Near Vaishali, Kundagram. A is the correct answer. Near Vaishali, he was born in Kundagram. A is the correct answer. Now, Jain Avesta is a holy book of Jeeves. Jain Avesta is a religious book. Jeeves, Parsis, Christians, Jainists. So we have studied about in the chapter Zoroastrians, right? So Zoroaster or Zoroastrians, this was the specific names related to the Parsis religion, right? Parsi religion. So B is the correct answer, that Jain Avesta belongs to Parsis. Last and final question, dear students. What was the another name of Mahatma Buddha? It's very easy question. Sakyamuni, Tathagat, Siddhartha, all of above. You are very familiar with this word Siddhartha, and you are sure, 100% sure, that Siddhartha was the another name of Mahatma Buddha. But what about Sakyamuni and Tathagat? Sakyamuni, he is also known as Sakyamuni because he belonged to Sakyagana, right? Tathagat also, this is the word used for Mahatma Buddha. So D is the correct answer of question number 15. So dear students, in this way we have discussed about these 15 MCQs, and what is your score? You can share me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.